Good morning, dear children. You're watching the Math Magic. Today, we are going to learn the first chapter from the Maths Mela textbook of class 3. Our topic name is What's in a Name. First, I will read the story, then we will elaborate. A long, long time ago, there was a cowherd family in Tarkeshwar. There is a cowherd family in the village Tarkeshwar. Every day, Deva and Deep took the cows out for the grazing. Deva and Deep were the two children. They took the cows out for the grazing every day. They used to return in the late evening together with all the cows. They always return in the late evening together with all the cows. One day Deva asked, "How do we know that we have not lost any cows?" They did not know how to count. Now, there is one difficulty found by the Deva. That's why he asked to his fellow friend that how do we know if one of the cows were lost? We did not count the cows while we going for the grazing. What could Deba and Deep do? Their friend gave them an idea. Now look at the picture carefully. The friend came and he gave the idea to Deba and Deep. Now we'll just look at the idea. What idea given by their friend? When you go out, make a mark on the wall for each cow that leaves the gate. Then, when you come back, strike out one mark from the wall each time cow re enters the gate. Now, look at the second picture carefully. Look here. You will observe that here, this picture. Now, look here. When the cows they re enter into their place, they just put a cross on the straight line. That's why they know how many cows are re-entered the gate. The next day they followed their friend's idea and all the marks were struck out when they come back home. So similarly, the pattern will be followed for the next days. Did all the cows come back home? After a few years, they had many more cows. One day their wall had this many marks when they left home. Now look at this. They have marked the lines in the group of 5. I have written here the 5 marks over the lines. Just if we count the lines, we found that there are 9 groups of 5s are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 5s are 45 and plus 2 lines means 2 cows. There are total 47 cows are there. The next day they returned with the cows. They struck out one mark as each cow re-entered the gate. So if 47 cows are left, then they counted that 2 cows are missing. Now look here, 2 marks were still left on the wall. That means 2 cows are missing. But they didn't see any cows outside. They are worried. Why were Deva and Deep worried? How many cows had reached home? Look here, total cows are 47 and 2 are missing. So we subtract 2 from the 47, we got 45. That means the 45 cows are returned to the home. And Deva and Deep quickly went to search for the missing cows and found them in a nearby field. Suddenly they went to search the missing cows and they found that the 2 cows are grazing nearby field. They are all happily returned home together. So again, if I add 2 to the 45, then we got 47. Now these kinds of the lines are called as the tally marks. When you write the numbers in the group of 5, that numbers are called as the tally marks. Remember that. Their friend Hemant had 36 cows and 23 sheep. So we have to mark the tally marks for the 36 cows. So just I put the marks. That means the straight lines are draw here in the group of 5. So if you divide 36 by 5, 5 7 the 35. That means total 7 groups of 5s are there, and one line means one cows is still out of the group. So 5 7 the 35 plus 1, 36 cows are there. Again for the 23 ships, we made the 4 groups of 5, 5 5 5 5 20, and 3 lines means 3 cows are there out of the group. So in this way, you can learn the tally marks, how to write the numbers using the group of 5. I hope all of you understand how to write the numbers through the group of 5. You can do this activity at your home. Write the numbers, any two numbers, and write them using the tally marks of group of 5. Now, one activity is given to us. Some animals and birds got together to play a game. They wanted to make two teams. They decided that the captain of the first team will be the one with the longest name, that is, one with the most letter, and the captain of the second team will be the one with the shortest name, that means with the fewest letter. Now, look here, some animals are given to us. Their names are also written at the bottom. Now, you have to count the letters and make two teams having the longest letters and the fewest letters. Look here, tiger has 5 letters, dog has 3, snake has 5, goat has 4, lion has 4, elephant has 3, 3, 6, 8, deer has 4, ox has 2, rat has 3, and monkey has 6. So in this way, we have to distribute the animals using the two teams, the fewest letter and the longest letters. What is the first question? Look here. Find out the captains of two teams. The first team having the longest letter. What is given? Elephant is the captain of the first team having the 8 letter. And the second one is having the fewest letter. Ox. Ox having only 2 letter count. So in this way, you can write the names of the animals of the two teams. Captain of the two teams. The one puzzle is given to us. Do you know? Look here. This one is. Now look at this puzzle carefully. Do you know any animal having a longer name than the first team captain? Yes, a rhinoceros, 11 letters, and hippopotamus, 13 letters. You can count. These two animals having the longer name than the first team captain. The one who has the longer name. Another question is given to us. Two names are given, Mahesh and Karthik. If we count the letters of the Mahesh and Karthik, we found that the Mahesh has 6 letter and Karthik has the 6 letter. Both has the same number of letter. That's why no name is longer. Their names are equal, having equal letters. We go to the page number 4. Write down the names of some of your friends in the spaces given below and then answer the questions from A to F. Now I have written few names from my class, that is Rajkumari having 9 letters, Yug having 3, Anshika 7, Shaurya 7, Vedant 6, Swaranjali 10, Swara 5 and Sharviri 8. Now we will write the answers for the questions. Take the longest name and the shortest name. Look here, I have written the names. I have marked 2 lines are there. The longest name is Swaranjali having 10 letters and the shortest having Yug 3 letters. So what is given to us? Tick the longest name. I have tick here for Swaranjali and cross here for the Yug having 3 letters. Now, second question, write the starting letter of your name. So you have to write the first letter of your name. This is homework question. Everyone should write the first letter of their name. Count all the names that have the same starting letter as yours. So count the number of names of your friend having the same starting letter as yours. Which starting letter is the most used? Count the names that begin with it. So again, so if you write the names, then count the number of names having the same starting letter. Count the name with the same ending letter. This is again homework question. So you can ask your friend, write down the name of your friend and write this one, the same ending letter. Ending means last letter. Write the letter that are not starting with any letter of any name. So it will be not possible that the letter having no name. Each letter, there are 26 alphabet in English, and from each one there is a one name start, and we found that no such alphabet is present having no name. So I write here there is no such letter exist. Now move toward the next page. Teji and Jojo are making the numbers using these cards 1, 2, 3, like we read it 10, 11, 12, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Teji make, look at the first question. Teji make her roll number 43 like this. Its number name has 10 letters. Look here, 45 and 3, 5 letters. 5 plus 5, that means 10 letters. Jojo make his roll number 17 like this. Its number name has 9 letters. 17. Count the letters in the name 17. Write your roll number using the number card shows above. Number cards are given at the end of the book. My roll number is. Write your roll number and count the number of letters of your roll number. Write some numbers and their number names in your notebook. How many letters does each have? So you have to write five names. Write down the 5 numbers and their number names in words. Teji and Jojo made number 56. It has 8 letters. Write other numbers between 1 and 99 that having 8 letters. Look here. One number is given to us 42. 5 plus 3. That means 8 letters are there. I have written here 41. 8 letters. 51. 8 letters. 61. 8 letters. 62. 8 letters. And 13. 8 letters. You can write down the different name also. Find out the other numbers having the 8 letters. Write the numbers between. Let us do. Write the numbers between 1 and 99 that have the longest name 77. Look here. 3 plus 3 6 7. 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 2 12. 97. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 2 11. 27. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 2 11. So in this way you can write the different names, longest name. Find out. My number has, there is one puzzle. My number has two words. The first word has 6 letters. The second word has 5 letters. I am very near to 100. Now look here. Near to 100 means it is more than 95, the number, which is near to 100. So 97 is the number. 7 has 5 letters. 90 has 6 letters. So our number is 97. Find out. My friend and I are the numbers from 63 to 78. My number name is smallest. So write down the number names from 63 to 78 and count the letters of each number. We will find that the 70 is the only number having the 7 letters and no other than 70 in between 63 to 78 is lesser than 7 letters. So we write here 70. Now another question is given to us. Venkata Narsimha Raju Varipeta is the place in India with the longest name. It is located in Andhra Pradesh close to the border of Tamil Nadu. Look here. Ib in Odisha, now look here, this one, Ib in Odisha and Odi in Gujarat are the places in India with the shortest name. Teji and Jojo have some picture card. Teji has put these into two groups like this. She has grouped the two cards into those that eat food and those that don't eat food. Jojo has arranged the same card differently. What is the common in each groups of Jojo made? Now look at the pictures carefully. In each group, Jojo has placed the two animals and the three pictures, those that don't eat food. That means, look here, in the first group, a kite is there, aeroplane is there, and one flying machine is there. So you can call it as another one kind of aeroplane, and two animals are there. Again, in second group also, the three pictures of those that don't eat food, that means bulb, mobile phone, and one textbook is given, and rat and the fish is the two animals. So in this way, Jojo has made the groups. So what is common in each of the group Jojo had? The two animals are common. Given below are the pictures of some household object. Write the names of the above object that these two. So look at the picture carefully. We have to write according to the group is given to us. The one is things that need electricity. We know that the TV required electricity, fan required electricity, and the lamp is required electricity. So I write here three things in the chart of things that need electricity and the remaining things that don't need the electricity. That is blanket, pillow, bed, and chair. Blanket, pillow, bed, and chair, they don't need the electricity. Now, what is given in the next question? Group the object. That means you have to write randomly these 8 objects here. Write the names of above 8 objects randomly in two boxes. The 4 here and 4 here. And the last one is we came to the last point. Mala is going to school. Her mother has combed the hair. Mala has two ponytails. Look at the children in your class. All the children comb their hair in different ways. Look and write down hairstyle. So observe the picture carefully and write the number of children. So this question is for homework when you came to the school. So you can observe your friend and their hairstyle and just mark using the tally marks in the group of 5. So I hope all of you understand this first chapter thoroughly. If you find any difficulty, then don't hesitate to ask me. Please leave us comment in the comment section. Thank you. Having a wonderful day.